So in our world, we look at a balanced college list really being where you have a good academic, social, and financial fit when it comes to picking a school. But I think part of the problem is a lot of students are really focused on what are the hardest schools to get into. And they tend to pick way too many reach schools that are hard for everybody to get into. So, part of the strategy is really looking at can you be smart about your college selection up front, making sure that you're picking schools that you know your kid's going to get into, where they're going to be not just thinking about, I got in, but how am I going to thrive once I get there? And what is that experience going to be like, and making that best fit? And then, of course, financially, we want to make sure that everybody is satisfied with how much that cost is, how much scholarship we're getting, and making sure that at the end of the day, we actually have options to pick from those 6 to 10 schools on our list come senior year and making that decision. I would strongly encourage parents to start working with their students in junior year, if not sophomore year. I know it might sound crazy, but it gives you an opportunity to start to have that conversation about what those things mean for your family and for your student to actually start to understand what do they want in a school, size, programs, different extracurricular opportunities, whether they're playing a sport. So then you guys can start to get on campus, get the vibe, check it out, and determine and find out really does this make sense for you, and you'll have that list then more prepared and ready heading into application time of senior year.